Hey guys, welcome to Shot on My Phone. This is Jake. The last video has been doing awesome. It's already at 400 views and it's been up for like 3 days. So incredible. That video is on iOS 16, the public beta. This video, I'm going to talk about how to install a screen protector the right way. Working at Best Buy, I have installed screen protectors galore and I've learned a lot. My wife's screen protector on her phone is badly damaged. I have to replace her screen protector, once a month maybe, because yeah. Today I'm gonna go ahead and do it on video and show you guys some of the cool, neat tricks I have learned at Best Buy on how to change a screen protector. So if you guys are ready, let's do this. So, step one when it comes to changing a screen protector is turn off the phone. You can see the phone is turned off. It's gonna make your life so much easier when you're changing a screen protector. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the old screen protector off. Oh God, that's bad. Yep, that happens. I'm just gonna throw that away. Now that everything is hopefully cleaned, what we're gonna do, have the phone horizontal. That really helps. Having the phone horizontal is a huge deal. I prefer doing that over vertical. Just personal preference. If you do it vertical and you need it that way, then you do you, boo. I truly don't care what you do. So if you think it's better that way, then do it that way. But here are the main stuff. First off, when you open the package, you have some tools. You got this guy right here. This here is a little guide. We're gonna put that on the phone a little bit later. Then after that, they give you 3 different tools. They give you a wet wipe, a microfiber cloth, and some dust removal stickers. It is super cool, super awesome to use. Those are the main tools that we will be using. That is those 4 things. And then a tool I like to use as well is this little squeegee thingy. Samsung screen protectors come with them, but also you can use like a credit card or something. This one is just what I prefer to use at work, and so I'm using it for this video. Just gonna set that over here. And then, of course, last but not least, the star of the show, the screen protector. Before I do anything on the screen protector, I take it out of this little bag, put it to the side, just so that the screen protector is ready and is ready immediately for me when I start working on the phone. Okay, so I'm gonna put that to the side right now, because first off, we gotta clean the phone. Clean your area, make sure everything is good. The phone is turned off. First thing we're gonna do is we are going to use the wet wipe. Open the wet wipe. We're gonna use that to wipe the phone. Wipe the phone clean. And while I'm doing this, a very important step also is to have your phone on an area where the phone won't slide. Because when a phone slides when you're doing a screen protector, it really sucks. So try your best to find an area to put your phone where it won't slide. Sometimes I like to actually put the phone on top of its case. In this instance, my wife is using a black leather case. This is my wife's phone. And it works fairly well. It's a black silicone case. Did I say leather? Whatever. It works fairly well. The phone doesn't really move too much. At Best Buy, we have some like little pads that work really well. They actually come with the iPad screen protectors, but we save them. And that works really well when it comes to holding the iPads. We use them for the phones too. Okay, so the phone has been wiped off. All of the dust and grime from the old screen protector and stuff is gone. Now, all we need to do is wipe all of the wet stuff off from that wet wipe. Now, finally, I use the guide, okay? Use the guide, put the guide on. The guide comes off very easily, at least with these invisible shield screen protectors. The guide comes off very easily. I hate them so much when they do that. So just be aware of that, especially when you use the sticker to remove dust. But anyways, now that we got that guide on, I'm gonna start over. I'm gonna wipe the screen. See, it came off. I'm gonna wipe the screen and just make sure everything is good. And I just turned the light on because you need a well-lit place to do this, and the room was not well lit. So anyways, I'm gonna re-wipe the screen, make sure you hold the thing, the guide, whatever, hold that, make sure everything's good. Put the wet wipe away, get the dry wipe. Wipe it dry, wipe it clean, make sure everything is good. This is getting the smudges, little hairs, or pieces from the microfiber cloth might be getting on the screen, and that is totally fine. Right now we are just getting all the liquid off the screen. All the grime and smudges and stuff. All that should be left on your screen is nothing, and probably some dust. Next up, this guy right here, the star of the show, one of the stars of the show, the dust removal tool. We are going to use this to remove the dust on the screen. Now, typically these come with 2 sides, a big side and a small side. You can remove either one. I prefer to use a small side for the sticky. So I'm gonna remove that, and I hold the big side. And I'm just gonna go all on the phone. If you see dust anywhere, just grab it with the sticker. It's really cool. Okay, and sometimes if something on the screen is not coming off with the sticker, one other thing you can do is put the sticker on there and then press down. That does also help pull off whatever is on the screen that's kind of being stubborn. Okay, the screen looks good. Looks like it's ready for the screen protector itself. Now the screen protector itself has this tag on it, safety tag, says 1. Pull that off, line up the screen protector where the notch is on the phone as well. Line it up with the guide. Okay, so right there, I kind of messed it up. So we're gonna try it again. There we go. It's satisfying to watch. Okay, screen protector is on. Take the guide off. Now we're gonna remove the protective shield so we can see how terribly we messed up. This is where our little squeegee friend comes in, right here. I'm gonna push those bubbles up. Push them to the edge of the screen for them to dissipate into the air. Okay, look at that. Screen protector's on, but we are not done yet because there are still a few mess ups. Hopefully it saved your sticky tape, because this is very important. If you didn't save it, use a piece of regular tape. It's good stuff. I don't know if you can see here, but there's still a piece of dust right there. So the way I get that off, and it's under the screen protector, the way I get that off is you lift the screen protector slightly, stick the sticky tape in there, pull it out. Okay, it didn't grab it, so we're gonna try it again. Sometimes you have to do it multiple times. Okay. Be careful with that when you pull up the screen protector. There we go. And now it's on. It is not perfect. There's actually a spot that I'm gonna get over here. There we go. When times are desperate, take the big sticker off and use that as well. Gonna squeegee again. Make sure everything is good. Sometimes there will be bubbles on the side of the screen, and when there are bubbles on the side of the screen, those sometimes will go away within 24 to 48 hours. Really, it's just the glass of the phone and the adhesive of the screen protector acknowledging that the other exists, and it takes a bit to complete that process, I guess. So just use your phone like normal. The heat from the phone itself should kind of dissipate that stuff. So you get this one last bubble out. Sometimes you just gotta like rub really hard on there. That's what she said. And there you go. There you go. Go along the sides, make sure everything is good. Screen protector is on. Everyone is happy. That's how you do a screen protector the right way, the perfect way. That's how I also do it without any dust. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Jake, and this is Shot on My Phone.